In this video, we are going to learn about the preparation process that needs to be followed before applying EOPatch. There are some items you will need to prepare in advance before applying a patch: ADM, new patch, insulin vial, and alcohol swab. Always wash your hands thoroughly before starting and keep your hands clean while handling patches. Open the new patch. After wiping the rubber stopper of the vial with an alcohol swab for sterilization, insert a needle into the syringe. Take off the needle protection cap to remove it. Pull back on the plunger and draw air into the syringe to an amount that is equal to the insulin dose you want to inject into the patch. Insert the needle into the rubber stopper of the vial and push air into the vial by pushing the plunger. With the syringe needle in the vial, turn both upside down and pull the syringe plunger back with your free hand to withdraw more than the actual required amount of insulin. If there are air bubbles, flick the syringe slightly with your finger. When the air bubbles move to the top, push the plunger to completely remove any bubbles inside of the syringe. Before you apply a new patch, tap the Advanced menu icon on the ADM home screen. Tap Activate Patch on the Advanced menu. A message will be displayed asking, "Would you like to activate a patch now?" Tap Yes. Insert the syringe needle into the insulin fill port, indicated by an arrow on the back of the patch. Push the syringe plunger slowly to inject the insulin. When the patch is filled with more than 80 units of insulin, the buzzer will beep once. Place the filled patch next to the ADM and tap Start Pairing. The patch will begin pairing with the ADM and the patch. After successful pairing, the buzzer will beep once and the applying process for the patch will begin. In this video, we are going to learn how to apply the EOPatch. You can choose an appropriate site to apply a patch among the abdomen, the back of the upper arm, or the outer thigh. Rotate your sites and apply the patch on an area of skin that is free from lipoatrophy, fat hypertrophy, tattoos, scars, or bruising. Clean the selected site with an alcohol swab before applying a patch to prevent infection. Wait for the site to completely dry. After removing the adhesive tape, ensure that the cannula does not protrude. If the cannula sticks out, tap Discard and start the activation process over again. If there are no problems, tap Next. Place the patch on the infusion site and make sure the tape has completely adhered to the skin. Any wrinkles in the adhesive may lead to a decrease in adhesion and waterproofing effect of the patch. After applying the patch, tap Start Safety Check. The safety check takes about 30 seconds. For safe use, do not remove the needle action lever until the safety check is completed. Once safety check is completed, the buzzer will beep once. While holding the lever, turn it clockwise as far as you can and beyond 100 degrees. The patch buzzer beeps once when the cannula is properly inserted. While securing the patch with the opposite hand, rotate the needle action lever fully, then remove it. Once you hear the patch buzzer sound, tap Next. If the cannula has been inserted successfully, tap Next. Tap Finish on the Patch Activation Successful screen and the buzzer will beep once. Tap Confirm on the pop-up screen. Basal delivery begins on the home screen after patch activation. The patch has been applied and activated successfully. In this video, we are going to learn how to remove the EOPatch. The used patch should be deactivated by the ADM before removing or changing it for a new patch. Change the patch before patch expiration notification. A patch can be used for 84 hours. Tap the Advanced menu icon at the top right of the ADM home screen. tap Change Patch on the Advanced menu. Tap Confirm on the Change Patch screen. Tap Yes on the pop-up screen. Once the patch is deactivated, remove it. Grasp the edge of the patch's adhesive tape and remove it slowly. Check for symptoms of infection on the area where the tape was removed. It is also recommended to clean the area with an alcohol swab. Used patches should not be reused and must be discarded. After removing the patch, tap Next on the ADM screen. If you do not want to apply a new patch now, tap No on the Activate Patch screen. Tap the Back button to return to the home screen. As soon as you are ready to apply a new patch, restart the overall process. EOPatch.